Will the hush money trial involving former President Donald Trump be live-streamed? No, it won't. But why is that? Let's delve into the chronology of events leading up to this decision. In March of 2023, news broke of Trump potentially facing indictment by a Manhattan grand jury. This was regarding a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels, an adult film star. This case drew parallels to former Democratic presidential candidate John Edwards' case, who was acquitted of campaign finance charges related to secret payments made to hide his mistress during the 2008 campaign. Trump's defense may argue that the payment was personal, not campaign-related. The crux of the case relies on whether the payment aimed to conceal the matter from voters. In the same month, Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen's testimony, was deemed crucial. Legal experts began debating the legality of the payment under campaign finance laws. Prosecutors considered charging Trump with falsifying business records. The challenge, however, lay in linking state and federal laws in the case. Fast forward to April of the same year. Lawyers for Trump requested a 1-month delay for the start of a sexual assault and defamation trial brought by E. Jean Carroll, citing the recent indictment against Trump for falsifying business records. Trump's attorney argued for a delay to allow for a cooling-off period due to potential jury bias from media coverage. Carroll's attorney opposed the delay, emphasizing the ability to impanel a fair jury in New York City. The trial was then scheduled to begin on April 25th, with Trump denying the allegations of sexual assault and defamation. Manhattan prosecutors then brought charges against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments during the 2016 campaign. The case presented legal complexities as prosecutors aimed to prove felony charges based on the intent to conceal or further another crime. The indictment hinted at potential underlying crimes related to federal campaign finance violations, state election law, and New York tax law. Legal experts were divided on the strength of the case, with some expressing skepticism and others seeing a plausible path to conviction. This case could potentially lead to years of litigation and may ultimately reach the US Supreme Court. In summary, the key points discussed are the potential indictment of Trump by a Manhattan grand jury over a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels, the debate over the legality of the payment under campaign finance laws, the request for delay in the sexual assault and defamation trial brought by E. Jean Carroll, and the charges brought by Manhattan prosecutors against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records. As to why the trial won't be live-streamed, it's essential to understand that court proceedings, especially ones of such magnitude, are subject to numerous legal and ethical considerations. These include ensuring a fair trial, protecting the privacy and dignity of all involved parties, and maintaining the integrity and decorum of the court process. While the world may be eager to witness the proceedings, the decision ultimately lies in the hands of the judicial system, which must weigh public interest against these considerations. And so, the gavel falls, the cameras switch off, and the world waits for the verdict in silence.